shop. Thank you so much for joining me. I am going to make another hot process or cold process. Where am I? Another cold process for you today. I'm going to be making hot pink lime. This is from Nature's Garden. Sorry, it smells just like, to me, cherry limeade. I love cherry limeade, by the way. It's such a great summer treat. And yeah, so I'm making this as part of the summer collection. And I'm going to be using electric bubblegum from Brambleberry, one of my very favorite pinks. And I'm going to be using green vibrance from Nurture Soap. I haven't really thought through what exactly I'm going to do. Oh, I'm going to be using titanium dioxide as well. I think I'm going to do a drop swirl. That's what's kind of in my spirit right now. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is a drop swirl. And then we'll see how it turns out. I've never used this fragrance oil before, but I read the reviews and it had nothing but great reviews. Said it didn't discolor and it did not accelerate trace. So I will get started by mixing up my oils, and in my oils I have additives, which are colloidal oatmeal and white kaolin clay, and then I'll add my coconut and goat milk. So it's half coconut and half goat, and I'll mix that all up so that there's no kind of grainy or powdery bits left over in the soap. And then I'll add my lye solution, which is aloe vera, Tessa silk, distilled water, and sodium lactate. And I'll bring that up to an emulsion. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get started. So I have just brought this up to an emulsion, so that's where the oils are not separating from the lye solution. I don't want to bring this up to a trace because I will stick blend this again when I add my colorant, but I did not want to over blend just in case my colorant or my fragrance oil wants to misbehave, and I'll have to stick blend. And by misbehave I mean rice, which is like curdling up your batter, or accelerate. So I just want to have plenty of time to do a very nice drop swirl with this. At least that's my plan. So I'll go ahead and split everything out. Okay. And just a heads up, this green that I'm going to use, and pretty much every green, likes to turn a funky kind of pea color, like split pea soup color, when it first hits the batter. And then through the saponification process, it gets to be another beautiful, vibrant green. But don't be alarmed about the discoloration of the green. It will turn into a really beautiful green. So this one we're going to add our whites. This is just titanium dioxide mixed with distilled water. I'm going to put that in there. And then we are going to add our green vibrance. And that is just pre-mixed with olive oil. And I just super fat that. And here is our electric bubble gum. And I absolutely love this very bright pink color. It's so pretty. So pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a blend. Okay, so now that I have thoroughly mixed up the colors, I'm gonna go ahead and stir in my fragrance oil. And each one, let me just wipe that off because I only have one spatula right now. So go ahead and add a little in each container here, and then I will stir in the fragrance oil just to see what it does. And it does not look so far like it is speeding up trace. And I'm soaping at room temperature, by the way, if in case I didn't tell you earlier. I soap at room temperature just because, for me, in my experience, it gives me the longest working time. When I first started doing cold processed soap, I would soap at about 100 degrees, and I found that it didn't usually give me a lot of time to work. So when I started soaping at room temperature, it gave me more time. And gosh, I love this pink and this fragrance oil, you guys. It's like a hot day going to the corn dog stand, getting a corn dog at the fair, and an ice cold limeade, cherry limeade. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. Okay. Ooh, so nice. I love it. And stir in this one here. And I like to stir it in, get everything off the bottom, just in case I didn't stick blend good. Just to incorporate everything. And it seems as if this fragrance oil loosens up trace. Just FYI for your own information. Okay, so then I will take out my beautiful Workshop Heritage double loaf molds, and I will be making another one, but I'll just make it off camera. So I'll go ahead and add on the first pass the white. And I'll go with the pink here. I'm going to see if I can turn this around and kind of get on this side because I don't want to miss anything. Yes, it's giving me a lot of time. So this fragrance oil just behaves so good. Okay, and then I'll just keep on going. gonna just take, you see how fluid this is, guys? It's still so fluid. So fluid. I'm just gonna put the rest on the top so I can do my little signature swirly thing on the top. Hot pink limeade. I'm gonna sprinkle on some Sparkle Me Red fairy dust from Mad Micas. This sparkle is gonna give it just a nice kind of iridescent pinky reddish kind of sparkle, and I think it's gonna accent the soap really, really well since it is called Hot Pink Lime. And I think I'm going to just call it Hot Pink Limeade because that's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of a limeade. So that's what it's going to be. And there you have it. I will bring you guys back in for the cut. I'm going to just spray this with 99% isopropyl alcohol to prevent soda ash. And then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Hey guys, Megan here from the Butterbean Shop. I am back to cut the Hot Pink Limeade soap that I made yesterday. And let me tell you, you guys, it smells so good. It's like summer in a soap. It's just, oh, it smells so good. I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Here goes the top. I absolutely love the way this soap smells. I love the way it came out. It's just absolutely, definitely one of my favorites. And I did a drop swirl on this one. I haven't been doing a lot of drop swirls lately, so I wanted to go ahead and get one done. So I did. And they're both my favorite colors, green and pink. And yeah, ooh, I really like the drop swirl on this. The fragrance oil behaved marvelously, and this is just such a cool soap. I'm really excited about this. Really excited. So if you guys like this soap as well, please go ahead and click the like button. If you would like to see more of me making soap and other wonderful body products, please go ahead and click the subscribe, and to be notified when I upload new content, please hit the bell. And I will continue to cut and let the music play. Until next time, butter beans, take care.